Hello, welcome back to Salesforce Builder. In a previous video, we have talked about the Django introduction and the installation part. In this lecture, we will talk about the creating the first project in Django. So if you want to get more information to our website about Django, you can also visit our website. The website is the www.salesforcebuilder.com. After the opening this section, click on the Learn Python section. Now click on the click drag down. Now click on the creating first project. So guys, how we will be create the project? Here is a complete step to creating the project. So let's do it. So opening the command section. Now I want to create a project at the desktop area. So we will be create the project, and inside the project we will be creating the app. So all the app contain the some the information. You can also create more than one app according to your needs. So first we have to create the project. So let's start. So Django dot admin start project. Okay guys. So what is your project name? So yes, the project name is my project. My project is my project name. You can also give your name. So after that, pressing the enter. Now we have to create the app. So before we are creating two apps, so let's check what's given by what the file is given by the Django. So let's see. So now you can see it's a my project is here. So now it is given as the manage file, and it's also given a init ASGI setting URL and WSGI. So what is the all the file? If you talk about the file, so what is the all the file? So let's refer to our website. So now if you're talking about the init, so this file is indicate to the compiler to or interpreter that my project is a type of a project. It's mean this init, it's a tell to the it's a Python interpreter that this is a it is a says to the interpreter that this is a project. Okay, by using this Python interpreter, it's considered as a project. So next is the ASGI. So we will talk about later in of the ASGI. So first now we talk about the settings. So it is the project setting. So you are aware with the setting of any of your system is also having the settings. Computers also having the control panel that you can change, you can modify, you can get your setting and changes according your needs in the setting. So it is in your mobile phone is also having the setting. So same like that, the project is also consisting the settings. This is the setting. Now you see this is the setting. Here is a lot of things that it is a security key. It is a security key. Here is a debug. If you have any debugging things, that after that, so it is a true, but you have to force when it will be go for the deployment, because it maybe someone may be hacking it will be true, then it is a false when your project will be deployed. So allow the host is the installed app and middleware. So lots the templates, so lots of things is consisting with the setting. So it is a setting. So here is a URL. So what is a URL? Let's see in a document. So this is the file that create the link of the communication with the other app. It's a simple. It is a create the communication link between the app to project. So it is the url.py. And next is the wsgi. So this file is used to when the project is loaded for the deployment or the host. Okay, so this is file used for the when the project is the deployment and for the host, and ASGI is the extended version of the WSGI. So now we will be create the app and we will see the file's name which is the containing by the app. So let's create the app. Come on the command. So we will create the app inside the project. So cd my project's name. So now I am coming to the project. So Django admin start app. It's my application. Suppose it's my application, it's my app name. So one more thing is a manage.py is also file which is consisting by the project. So here you see that. Let's see again about the manage.py. So if you if you can see that here is a manage.py also. So what is a manage.py? So this is the file is a part of the project. By using the file, you can interact with the project via the command line, get the full list of the command line by pressing and using this file. So it is the manage.py. So now I am creating the app. So let's see what the app is consisting the file. So here my application. So you can see here is the init admin apps models test and views. Let's talk about the step by step of any of all. So now we are talking about first. So init. It is just to make sure that the Python handles all the applications. So init.py of the application, it will tell to the project their project and I am the application of your. I am your part and I am the application. So init's a work like that. Now section is the admin.py. This file is allowed to make any changes and modifications to the admin file. And the next is the model.py. Here is the continue the all the model of application which is connected to your database systems. Next is one is the test.py. Here is the test and file allow your project to test. So next is one is the view.py. View the handle all the activity of your request and the response. So here is the all the file which is the consist by the app. So now we have seen how to run this project. So let's run this project. So back and open the command. So Python manage.py as located at the project area. So run server. Press the enter. So you can see my project is successful run. So here is the IP address that you can open your project. So let's see how to open it. Now copy and paste this HTTP is 127.0.0.1 and 8000. So let's see. So now you can see so Django is successfully installed and works successfully. It's congratulations. So now if you want, by default it is working on the 8000 port address. If you want, you can also change your port address too. So you can also use the local host is 8000 for opening this page. Okay guys, now if you want to stop the server, it is a simply clicking the Control C for stopping your server. Python manage.py run server. Give your port address. Make sure your port address is upper than 1024. So now given a 2222 as a port address and press the enter. So now you can see it's my port address 127 and 0.0.1. So let's see typing by and remove the 8000. Now I'm given the 2 given a 2222. So pressing the enter, now you can see it's successfully done. So here is the all your step to get all the information about the Django. So how to enter the admin panel? So let's see how to enter into the admin panel. So it's a very simple. Now before we enter into the admin panel, we have to create the super user for that. So let's start. Before we super creating the create a super user, make sure there is you have to migrate your project. So what is the migrate? Let's see about it, all the things about it. So click on the previous things is installation. Here you can see, so check is a pip install Django double equal version. This is code used to install the Django for this specific version. So now Django, it's add start project. The code is creating the project. So start as here. So what is a make migration? This code used to create a migration to generate the SQL commands. Okay. So migrate, this code is used to migration execute the SQL command. So let's see. So Python manage.py. My first we will the migrate. So you can see all the file which is successfully migrated. So now Python manage.py create super user. So now it is demanding for the username. Suppose it's ABC my username and given the email ID. So abc@gmail.com. It's my user ID. Password 1234. Again 1234. So it is a very common password. By passing password this will create. Okay, it is a very simple. So I want this. Now I've run this project again. So Python manage.py run server. After the running this server, so now click on the local host, but this time it is a 8000 port address. It is a by default which is given by the Django. Then use the forward slash and type admin. Now you can see it is the interactive admin which is provided by the Django. So ABC and give the password. The password is the 1234. Now login. Now you can see here is the site. It is a site. It is a site administration. Here you can create the groups. Now you can also create the users for as a like a super user. Now you can also give the permission according to your needs. What you want to give the permission here, it's lots of things that you can use it. Okay guys, so that's it for this session. I hope you enjoyed this video. So thanks for my watching video. Thank you guys.